How's it going? Oh. How's it going, party people? What's up? What's up? I hope everybody's doing alright out there in TV land. So, let's jump right into it. We worked on the homepage UI last week. I did some more stuff a little bit off camera, just building those pretty visuals, and then change the colors up a little bit because although the teal and pink are awesome, I didn't want to introduce new colors into the system. I think it has enough, so I just went with some of the colors that are already on the screen. So hopefully that's a little bit more visually appealing, not as much of a distraction or anything. So the problem is, and actually I'm going to go back to this other chat real quick and push to get before I do anything else. I meant to do that with a different system here. So if we look in the dev tools of Chrome here, it's probably gonna say, oh look, news fetch complete. That actually, it worked today. It wasn't working most of the time, which honestly I can't say anything better about my server, unfortunately. So oh, I never hit the send button here, I guess. Maybe we'll conquer that instead, or try to, but we should probably merge back to main first. Yeah, cause I want to tackle that as a whole system problem and not just this. It doesn't have anything to do with this feature in particular. And I mean, if I go to check and it's fetching, then I don't know, I'm not gonna make it depend on my API server until I know that mine is at least as good or bad as this one, because it has to go through some middleman server in order to not get hit with the core's policy violations. But if it uses just my server, then it'll act as a proxy, just like it says here. So I'm going to instead, let me move this into Copilot instructions. No. Those are instructions from Copilot. I poorly named that folder. Yes. Save all. Let's create a new file. I don't even think this is got an extension, but now it does. Server issues .md. So the server is still going down. Sometime after I start it. And then, in the meantime, I'm gonna merge everything. I think I have to do that in, I started typing what I was saying. I can do it in this, actually. Main. Let me save this file. I'm not worried about those. I'm just about to send a screenshot of this because commit these to markdown files until after the merge. I just got Get Crackin' MCP in here too, but that's not what it's about to do. I think it messed up there somehow. Saved working directory and index state on feature files and B files to merge, commit after merge. Dun, 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 dun. So, feature favorites, icons, main, picks and strategies. Those are my branches. Check out main. Okay. Oh, you can do a merge right there. Oh, this is crazy to see visually. That's pretty cool. I've been using Git for a while to do everything, but I've just been on the main, as you can see. Whereas some of these, you know, I could have done them on their own branch. It doesn't matter too much when you're working by yourself, but oh no, we have merge conflicts. That's why I wanted Copilot's help. Keeping the head version. Yeah. The newest version for sure. Because that other one has some old stuff in it. Let me check what oh. Back up here. Face, where did face go? Man, did y'all see Wicked for Good yet? It is fire. Oh no! It deleted my files. Huh, I didn't think it was gonna do that. I think it'll pull them back. It stashed them somewhere. So we're gonna add just that one, I guess. Okay. Cool. ticket. Oh, I need 20,000 points still. Why do I feel like that moved around so slow just now? Where was that trainer looking if they didn't see me? Because I was right there, buddy. Oh, you got another dragon? Sorry, but he's out of there. Keep merging this. Get that a little bigger for you guys. Stash pop. Okay, there are my files. Come back. I see. Stash pop. Oh, where y'all going? I don't think so. Goodbye. Oh yeah, you know what it's a good time for? Mr. Zygar. I do not want to climb up that scaffolding right now. Okay, who you got next? Who you got next? Houndoom. Oh, dog first dog. You're gonna Mega Ball, ain't you? Yep. It's okay. Goodbye. Your main branch is now 15 commits ahead of origin main. Would you like to push these merge changes to remote repository? Delete the merge feature branches locally. I don't understand the second one. Delete the merge feature branches. Remote. Which is GitHub, right? Don't understand what you mean about that. So, hey, little Pokeballs, give them to me. What you got for me, Miss Lady? Okay. Oh, there's nowhere to go over there? Guess not. Looks like a very small battle zone. Probably heavily relies on me going to the ceiling. It's okay. Check out over here. That should do it. Yep. Goodbye. About deleting branches locally. When you merge a feature branch into main, the branch still exists on your computer. Oh, you can delete it to keep your branch list clean. It's optional. Yeah, I'd like to delete it because that sounds messy to leave it. Unless you want to. I don't have a reason. Okay. Oh, here's another present. You can get it. Oh no. And oh, look at you. Look at you. You get the wrath of the mighty. Oh boy. I was about to say, is I gonna miss somehow? Sweet. I wonder, did they ever get pushed to get as much as I thought they did to get hub? Oh wow, that's the move I chose? I thought I chose something else. Also, Like, why is it taking so long? Alright, awesome. Now we're clean. Keep. Yeah. And, where do you think you're going? Let's run a get. Oh, not there. Get status. That's too big. Okay, up to date. And it's just these two files, which is fine. I don't care about that. For enforcer, there's gotta be a damn ladder somewhere. I only need like probably 10 more thousand, so it shouldn't be too hard. Don't see a lot of trainers ever. Oops, shouldn't see. Quick little tap. Who is Mega Evolved right now? Oh, Lucario. I'll just bring him out. Why not? Hey, there you go. That wish is not gonna come true. Promise you that. No siree. Hey, there we go. That's exactly what I needed. Perfect. Oh, I got Plesk open over here. I'm gonna check my logs. I really don't have a whole lot of information to give. Oops. Oh my goodness. Other than what the logs say. It doesn't really seem to happen locally. Let's switch over here. Get this going. So you can see debugging logs. Necessary. I can't see the SSH terminal, which is weird. Need some water. Okay. Plesk is half loading, but logs. Open a new tab. I'm gonna copy a lot because we're gonna hit planning mode, and I feel like there's gotta be a better way for me to get my log files, but they don't make it easy, and it's not something I want to get into right now on stream. Don't have that much time. I'm gonna be a little lazy about it, I suppose, but let's hit copy. That's a lot. Oop, hit the wrong button. Goodness gracious, 1,000 lines. So I should probably create another file. Server logs. Okay. Now server issue. Logs from Flask are in. Yeah, I'm not really sure what else to get into. Let's go ahead and add this and oh no, not that. This to the chat. Let's go to plan mode. And I don't know. Let's save all real quick. Maybe we try Raptor Mania out again. GPT-5's got that symbol, warning symbol next to it, so I don't know. Let's try it, why not? Let me actually give it the server files. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, Flask online VPS. Course. So yeah, API server. All should be obvious, but just want to spell everything out for it be as clear as possible, and let's start planning. I imagine that's going to take a while. Let's go ahead and get this match in real quick. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. I need a tissue paper. You get in the way real quick. Alright, so that's still working. Let's check it out. Hey, what's it? I know. Oh, wrong game. Canary. Yeah. I wish they let me take on more people at once. I wish in the Infinite Royale it was like just trainers everywhere. I mean, it was just like online mode, and they would just keep coming up, and you would just keep knocking their Pokemon out. And like boom, boom, boom. That's what it should be. What is this? It's running around looking for trainers. BS. Goodness gracious. That's infinite. Hey, quick ball matches are here. Get our ground type Pokemon. I wonder if they have a good ground type Pokemon. Let's do a little bit of damage to the ground type with me. Roller Beam is a good cover move for an electric type. What you got? You might have to have some gleam. Ooh, Ice Punch, even worse. Oh, we've got both. Man. Ooh. What happened? Who would have known? He's definitely got some stupid variant move. Super famous. I really need a Pokemon with Wish. I keep messing up. I gotta teach somebody Wish so he can get his health back. Gotta time it just right though. What am I waiting for? Come on. Oh. He tried. Oh, that's why he was waiting. I was wondering why she hadn't attacked yet. She thought the Mega Ball, right? Yeah. She's crazy. Alright. Okay, Copilot's got a nice little plan. It's got some questions for me. I shall answer them. That's messed up. I didn't get enough. Oh, yes, I didn't need it. Mega Energy that whole time. Because I didn't use enough moves. One shot, everybody. Oh well. This took her out real quick. I knew Zygarde was going to be the one. Fastball. Hey. Look at that. I had to catch a shiny Pikachu in that. Why are you still giving me medium candy? I didn't beat the game, man. That's disrespectful. Alright. Let's see what Raptor's talking about here. Okay. Oh boy, that's a lot. The server has proper shutdown handlers and a bad database client using packet drizzle. Found no obvious exit. Some tests in the file do call process exit when executed directly. That's okay. Blah blah blah. Client is configured with pooling and a 30-minute max lifetime. This could potentially break if connections are mismanaged or if Plesk network routes feel long sessions. No internal telemetry exists to track memory growth, warnings, or node events. That is something I've never even thought of hearing about. Plesk logs show regular HTTP access but not clear flash or crash reasons. Server access logs with 400 entries but no explicit node stack trace logs. Yeah, that's the problem. Add robust diagnostics, ensure more detailed logging at app startup, add DB connection resilience and logging. Add a process manager to run the server on Plesk. Add instructions and scripts for PM2 and use PM2 restart and log rotation. I definitely should have included the last send disk thing, but I've already done that once. But still, they mentioned something about PM2, and there's even. Is there a section of PM2? No, PHP. Hosting. Mail. But there was PM2 somewhere. Probably not. So. Alternative, use Plesk Node.js application manager with automatic restart enabled. Add instructions and scripts for PM2. Oops. Put the wrong button over here. Like crash logs and reproduction strategy. Perform load behavior tests and DB checks. None of this sounds super fun, but I guess this is what I wanted to do when I created DPS. I wonder if Expel API routes simplifies this at all. Let's go to requests. Can I just hit Control Alt and paste it? Because I really can't be bothered. Alright. So, no DSM packaging, ensure package.json is used when the API server, or start the app where type module sits. The server definitely has its own reproduce DB connections, memory leak detection, simple lightweight telemetry, suggested commands. Confirm node version, I can do that, no problem. If it'll let me into this SSH, I should be able to just look at it in the node section as well. Where's the node section now? So it could do either node version 22 or whatever. Open this terminal, let me face it. There we go. I don't think it'll let me copy. That's the thing. I have to take a picture. Either way. Run server with trace warnings. That's interesting. I'm in the wrong file. CD server folder directory. Don't know if that does anything different. Install PM2 and start. Check memory processes. Duplicate this terminal here. fix that in there. We got some trace warnings, blah blah blah. So, one, how are you launching it? Are you using Node? Yeah, let me show her this little screenshot of Node.js part of Flask. Boom. Which is this right here. Using the npm restart command in the server folder. Which uses that startup file. Good enough. Do you have no runtime version? Share the screenshot. Let's see what we got. Would you like me to produce a patch to the repo that adds the process on exit warning, a debug endpoint, config and updates? Sure, let's do that. Are you okay enabling more verbose logging in production temporarily? Yes, you can always remove it later. So, let's play with that. Let's go see what Copilot thinks about those answers. We only got about 31 minutes here, so I'm going to go ahead and fly over right here. Are my Pokemon dead though? Oh, it's spitting it out, but we might only get through the planning phase today, folks. Walked right past that car, didn't I? Who wants it? You think you do? You think? Gonna wish you never locked eyes on me. Bullet punch. Don't you hit me with mystical fire. Bullet punch again, just because I know you're gonna say, oh, that's not a berry, is it? Fine. Not a great Pokemon to have out. Oh, come over here. He got it. Or a sphere. So, I reviewed your plus conversation based on the plus supported, your current use of passenger, and the lack of PM2, here's step by step. Harden and auto restart API server on plus. Add runtime diagnostics, DB resilience retries, install a process manager. So add debugging with an API endpoint with just some status stuff. with it. Got more informative warnings, periodic log snapshot of memory usage. When the server is unstable, you have visibility into the memory. Improve database connections. Add a PM2 ecosystem config. Where are the trainers? Oh, that's not the right one. Option A, recommended for Plus, continue using Passenger. Plus connected but harden the app and ensure Plus connected config. Confirm application root. Once the server, blah blah blah. Please don't. It's obviously true. Use Plus UI to set load version to tested 22. Configure passenger to capture output logs. Dun, dun, dun. I'll get an online match in, y'all. What is Fusion Passenger? Fusion Passenger is an application server and process manager commonly used with Apache or Nginx to host apps. Plus, Passenger is a default process manager. It spawns your node process, keeps it monitored, tries to restart it on crashes, and captures error logs. It uses your application startup file and application root settings to run the app. Integrates with web server and proxy HTTP requests to your node app. Restarts automatically, but it doesn't. I guess that's why it says within sensible limits. Integrates with their UI and logs. I'm just about to delete these environment variables because I don't think they're working or being used, and I don't even want to see them. I mean, I have them in a .env file, of course, but as you can see, there's one at the bottom of that screenshot. So, but I feel like I talked to them about that in the messages. see. Injecting env from .env. Don't know what they're talking about. This error is about. Do I need to use them for passenger? That's the question. If the application's package.json has type module, make sure the runtime and startup file align. Permission or path issues. I feel like I already looked into all that. Maybe I need to find those logs it's talking about here. But I think I'd like to yeah, this is gonna be a multi-step thing in the future, that's for sure. I mean, just over the next few days, be messing with it. Keep using passenger. When I was in the terminal and I tried to get the Node version, I think it says 23, but when I'm in the Node.js, run Node.js commands, it's running 22. So let's just have it add those debugging logs, and we'll just check back and see the progress. Something. We'll see something. So, do we have a party? Probably not. Let's go this way, battle parties. So, one of these Pokemon can be on your party. Team, I mean. Okay, that one still exists. That one's actually not bad, I don't think. So we got, we're gonna see ground or rock. Having two flying is not great. It's not great. Both weak to electric. Ampharos is not, but still. Let's do Luke. Beyonce. And Talonflame. Let's think about that. Ground is gonna. Two of them are weak to ground. Oh, love that. And bulldoze out there, left and right. Maybe we do battle. And alligator. Yeah, let's try it. Let's try it. Oh, might as well leave Zygarde in the party. Because he's not getting added to no battle parties. Well, he can get added, but he can't get brought. Man, all this is after I said what I wanted to do. This plan mode is crazy. When is it gonna switch? I feel like last time it switched right out of plan mode. Oh man, I've been screwing myself over using the SSH terminal to start the app. I don't know if that's true or not, but I will test it and see. But it's got to do with environment variables, so it's not gonna happen while I'm on stream, my friends. I already had to change my password once. Yeah. Hope you guys are getting ready for a good turkey day this year. Should be a good one. I'm hosting my family, so I'm excited for sure. I was wondering what was taking so long. You know, looking at this picture, oh, it's not on the screen anymore about the server not being in the document root and whatnot. This, I just don't know how much it applies when you're only serving JSON because it's just an API. Come on now. Oh, I just turned my TV off. What's going on? We got trainers? There we go. Let's do it. Oh my god, what is going on right now? This is going to not using the plus injected environment variables applied. Do you need to use them? Yes. For production on passenger, the recommended way is to set secrets in the plus custom environment variables panel. What did that just say? If I get communication error, they're gonna stop letting me battle. Oops. Sorry, guys. Alright. I guess I'm gonna restart my Switch. I don't know what's going on. I hit the wrong button. Oh my goodness. Do it again. Metroid Prime Beyond, 3 weeks till launch. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna implement these changes and we'll be good to go. Sweet, let's see if we can go online this time. Diagnostics helper. Did I save? Oh, look, it just hit me with the warning. I didn't see what it said though. Oh my gosh. That sucks. I can't play the 30 minutes. Well. Not gonna happen today then, folks. Unfortunately. Some more nighttime battles, I suppose. I do want to get to 20 or whatever it is. 15 battles, get this mission thing to go away. How many am I at with this thing? 633. Yeah, I need a lot more, man. A lot more. Should start training up some other Pokemon. Ooh, Trick Room Dragalge? I'll take it. Wrong stats. The one I trained, right? Definitely. And here. Who else? Who else? Who else? Take a picture of that all. Decent, decent. Basically our EV train. I think I like where it's at. Yeah, let's some of these other folks. What's that? Are routes right there? Just happen upon the routes spawn? That's fine. More shards, man. was a wild card war. I was about to say what? Hit this Poké Center, make it nighttime. Just do a few battles before I dip out here. I feel like I don't need a heal, but might as well, right? You never know. Those Pokeballs were kind of organized nicely on accident. That's my timer, y'all. Couple minutes left. The co-pilot keep doing his thing here. Who wants it? Dang, Zygarde is fast. W form Zygarde. Oh, that's not gonna do it. Not as fast, but definitely more intimidating. Yeah, I wanted you to do that. Why did you? Oh God, so stupid with that. They just have to get to their little spot. It does not. I feel like there should be another button we should be able to press to tell our Pokemon to stop following us. Oh, that's not it. That's not the button. Not mean to do that. Oh, I forgot him. Just Zyguarding everything. Plan. Yeah, your boy is crazy. Let's see what you got for her. Dang. Dun, dun. If I just jump on the roof real quick, I saw that rooftop. Yeah, real quick, nice. So, remove .env from production. Okay. So. Yeah, I'll take care of money. Thank you. Where'd that hollow better go? Here it is. Oh no, I'm wasting my mega energy. Grab that. I wish you could pick up the coins for me too. I should ignore these coins. I don't know why I don't. I'm here to have battles. That's it. Why do you have to cry for so long? All of them when they come in. Mad annoying. Oh. Like that, at least he can fly over the daggone bushes. Oh, you got one more? Okay. That's easy. Come on, lock onto him. At least. There we go, there we go. Probably switch to the Ghost Ice Shorty for a little bit. Nice 20,000 points. follow me. Yeah. Where are you? Oh, it is him. I don't see your Pokemon. Oh. Oh, that's not even. But. Aw, I did it a second too late, I guess. Over here, Frostlass. Oh, you're so slow. You're paralyzed. Which IDE are you using? I am using VS Code, sorry for the wait on responding there. But yeah, this is VS Code. It's in dark mode. Oh man. There we go, that should do it. What do you use, Motivation Krishna? I want to try Cursor out. I just don't think there's a free tier. I think there's a free trial. So I'm gonna try it out when I'm going to go like super crazy, I guess. I need potions. Okay. Oh, we're caught off guard, are we? Alright. Cool, that's cool. Lunge at me. But I really haven't tried much else other than VS Code. I'm being totally honest. No ladder over here. They really need to put more ladders in this game. Are you gonna Mega Evolve? No? Oh, how disappointing. Goodbye. Oh, the little baby looks so sad when they faint. Da-na-na, da-na-na. Nobody's got any coffee for you, boy? That's way too long to walk around with literally nothing. No trainers to fight. Oh, because I saw a little bit of money on the ground. I guess. Just because the game is empty. Yeah, what do you think about that? Challenge me now. You feeling it differently? No? Come on. I always feel like flying should be super effective against ground, but oh, I didn't. Come on. There we go. That should do it. Stay away from the spikes. Sweet, sweet. Looks like VS Code or Copilot here is done. No! 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 Zygarde is down. Oh no. What shall we do? Boom. Boom. Pop, pop. So we're going to reconfigure the environment variables. And then we're going to check if we can see them. We're going to start server with trace locally. We're gonna look into that because I don't know what trace means. And confirm the logs. Yeah, I need to find out how to get to these other weird log files in there. Confirm DB ping. Gather logs, and keep these debugging features only for a short time. Interesting, interesting. Other suggestions. Possible guard for verifying. Short checklist. I got a little bits of research to do. And I don't even have a ghost type move on here, which is crazy. But I would like to see a little quick Mega Ball evolution out of her before I go. The last thing we see today. See if we can get it. Next battle. All more battle, folks. Keep this. I could probably. Nope, never mind. Guess I could get it from. Hey, that double team was timed perfectly. Let's go. Get big. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Knocking them out real quick, nice and easy. Too big to fit on the screen. Oh, can't even see him. Feel like I timed that right, but okay. No! Don't mystical fire me again. There we go. Nice crash. Icicle crash, if you will. Peace.